welcome to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is how I spend my Sunday. I don't usually eat breakfast on a Sunday morning, so normally I just make a cup of Milo or just a cup of coffee. Last night I booked my ticket to visit the Ulster Museum Belfast, so follow me to see the museum today. There's 3 different sections in the Ulster Museum. It starts with the history and goes on to the science and then lastly to the art. So I'm starting from the history and mostly on the history of Northern Ireland and Ireland. This room was locked on the day of my visit, so this is me filming from the window. What's really cool about this museum is that it really portrays how Northern Ireland used to look like, and there's a lot of machineries and costume can be seen, like this one right here, but I'm not quite sure if this is the replica or the actual machine itself. From here on, we're moving on to more of the ancient part of Ireland or Northern Ireland, where a lot of like Stone Age and stones can be seen in this section. Northern Ireland consists of a very long history of the Protestant and the Catholic, so from this museum you can get to know more details and in-depth of this history. Of my visit to the Ulster Museum is probably this mummy, which I find it really cool because it's a real size mummy, but it's pretty small. What's really fun about this museum that is very interactive, and there's a lot of activities and small models that you can play with or stones that you can touch. And here's me trying to make a Tom. There's a lot of stones and minerals in this museum on the section of science, which is pretty cool. I'm not really sure why do they have so much, but yeah, it's really nice to see some stones and minerals that you learn on your textbook or in the chemistry and seeing them in real life. Really cool about the Ulster Museum is that they consist a lot of sections where you can learn from, such as from history to Stone Age to art to science. So it's pretty cool if you want to come here and learn something. One of the rooms that I really like in Ulster Museum. It's dark, but there are a lot of mineral and crystals, so it's very beautiful.
There will be no traffic. everything that you desire.
Blown up and planted with rusting metal spikes.
Really cool because they look exactly the same like an old theater. After finished visiting the museum, I went to a quick grocery run at the nearby Tesco to buy some groceries. In luck today because I found a last copy of The Economist in Tesco, and if you're watching this video, I really recommend you to look or subscribe to The Economist. It's really good and it's very informative. It's also one of my favorite magazines. And that's pretty much it, and for the rest of my day I just stay in, chill and continue reading my magazine. So if you watched until here, thank you for watching the video, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.